Welcome to my channel Compconnection. A request to my lovely viewers to subscribe, like and share my channel and support me to make new videos in the upcoming days. Today we will demonstrate how to protect an Excel sheet other than selection. First, we will discuss partial protection of a sheet. A user cannot modify already inputted data but able to input data to the unprotected area. Second, data is inputted by a specific user only in his column but not the others. For example, Mr. Naidu can input data only in his column but not the other two since he does not know their password. Firstly, I select this range that I want to unprotect, go to the Review tab and click on Allow User to Edit Ranges. In this sheet, I want to allow input data from September to December. Select the default title range 1. You may delete it or keep it. Click New and it will ask for a title. Keep the default title, that is range 1. I can click here on Browse button to refer the cell range, but I already mentioned the range. Leave the range intact and leave also password intact. Now we click on Protect Sheet. Here we need a password. If we have not given a password, then it will be unprotected. Now we enter a password and click OK. Re-enter the password to confirm it. Now watch carefully. If I try to enter a value, Excel shows an error message. I cannot modify or delete data because it is protected. But I can easily enter value which are not protected. We saw this procedure, that is to make a sheet partially protected where modification or deletion are impossible, but we can input the data. Now another example of protect sheet is to share the sheet among the 3 or 4 persons and specify their name at the top of each column so that each person can edit only his column but not the entire sheet. First, I select the range and click on Allow User to Edit Ranges under the Review tab. Click on New, enter the title for VK Naidu. Ranges are exactly as we selected. So I am not entering range. Enter password here and re-enter to confirm the password and click OK. Again, click on New tab. This is for TR Datta. Click on the Refer tab and select the range for TR Datta. Click here on Browser button and select the range for Mr. Datta. Enter password here. Click OK. And re-enter the password again and click OK. We follow the same method to PN Prasad also. Now we click on Protect Sheet. Here we enter password and re-enter. Okay. Mr. Naidu cannot input data unless he is provided password, and double click in his column. He has to enter the password. And now he is able to enter data or input value. But he is not able to enter data to the other column like Mr. T.R. Datta or P.N. Prasad. He cannot modify the data. When we provide password to Mr. Datta, he double-clicked his cell, and after enter password, he is allowed to input data. We are not showing to input data to P.N. Prasad for for going to time save. This partial session, this practical session gives you an idea for your own field. You can apply in various fields as per demands such as monthly or yearly progress report of a project or tabulation sheet of a school or a college and many others. This is for today. I will come back very soon with a new video. Until then, goodbye and thank you.